Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to Angular 6 tutorials. So friends, today we have learned value change in Angular 6. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video we have learned validation, and in this video we have learned a value change in form control. So friends, let's start. First we have write this dot form test dot get and first name, full name using this full name, and dot value change dot subscribe. We write a value is console dot log, passing the value, and save and execute. And first we open a firework and console. Friends, we have writer. So friends, you can see this. Show here, and we have write another way to write. We are not using get, without get, and we have to write remove this and we have write this and using any remove this and write a JSON dot thing and passing the value, and this we write console dot log. This and save. Will be refreshing, and then we have write again when you can see this. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video, friends, please like, share and subscribe, and latest videos update, press the bell icon for more information, like my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and will comment. If you have any query, friends, you can ask me on comment or email, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com. Thank you for watching videos.